My grandfather left, he decided to be one of the early egg farmers in northern New Hampshire. He handed it off to my parents after making a good living as a small family farm. Probably when I was early high school that it sunk in that things were not going well. That's really when the industry changed, which led to really an unprecedented scale and industrialization in egg production. My parents, honestly, they didn't see a future in our own farm. Our conversion to become an organic egg farm exclusively and free range, it was philosophically something that we wanted to do, but it was also done sort of out of necessity. We were trying to save the family farm. Early on, we started partnering with other family farms for our supply, farms that were a lot like us, and recruiting and finding farms that wanted to sort of follow the model that we had set out. Upstate New York, Maine to Midwest, we have about 60 family farms that we partner with.
They make you feel like we as small family farms were important.
Even before I built the barn, I knew it was a great company. Everything's turned out just the way I wanted it to, and even better.
They're healthier overall, the hens, if they can get outside. I'm interested in seeing run around.
It's as close to having your hen running around the barnyard, but she's well taken care of and protected.
We have a huge role in being an opportunity for family farms to exist in egg farming and thrive. Not just exist, but thrive.
I'd touch every egg that comes out of this farm, so